in this video, we're gonna learn how to sign up Monopoly Go. To get started and create a new account and play Monopoly Go, first make sure that you've downloaded this application on your preferred mobile device and then launch it open. The first interface of Monopoly Go will look like this. You can go ahead and get started with the game by selecting the Facebook option, Apple option, or simply play as a guest without signing in. If you already have a Facebook account and you'd like to play with Facebook friends, then select the Play with Friends button at the top. If you want to sign in or get started using your Apple account, tap on Sign in with Apple. Now, click on the Continue button after selecting your Apple ID. After you are signed in with your Apple ID, you'll be able to get to this page. Simply go ahead and follow through the on-screen prompts. Go through the video tutorial and you'll be able to play your game right away. You can now go ahead and start playing the game on your own after the tutorial is completed, and that is how you should be able to sign up for Monopoly Go. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.